In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Cloud credits. We'll walk through setting up billing in the Google Cloud Console so your account unlocks the free trial credits and you can start exploring services with minimal friction. First, open the Google Cloud Console in your browser. Once the dashboard loads, look to the top left and open the main navigation menu, the three horizontal lines sometimes called the hamburger icon. From this menu, choose Billing. This takes you to the billing overview for your current project. If your project isn't linked yet, you'll see an option to link a billing account. Select that, and if you don't already have a billing account, choose Create Billing Account. You'll be guided through Google's free trial flow, which is what enables the credits on new accounts. Start by selecting your country. Make sure the country matches the address associated with your payment method to avoid verification issues. Continue to the Terms screen and choose Agree and Continue. This accepts the program terms and moves you into the billing setup. Next, provide your contact information exactly as it appears on your billing statements. Clear, accurate details help with account verification and future invoices. If applicable, you can add tax information. This section is optional, but it's useful if you need tax-appropriate invoices or have a VAT or similar number. You'll now see the payment method section. Even though you're activating credits, Google requires a valid payment method to verify identity and prevent abuse. Choose Add Payment Method, then pick Add Credit or Debit Card. Enter your card number carefully, add the expiration month and year, and type the security code from the back of your card. In the name field, use the cardholder's name exactly as it appears on the card to avoid declines. When everything looks correct, select Save Card. Google will run a quick authorization check, which may appear as a small, temporary hold. After it clears, your billing account is created and linked to your project, and your free trial credits are activated. From here, you can head back to the console and start using services. Keep an eye on your credit balance in the billing section so you know how much is remaining as you experiment. That's it, you've successfully set up billing and unlocked your Google Cloud credits. As a final note, free trial usage is separate from always free limits, and you'll see warnings as you approach the credit cap. When the credits run out, services pause unless you choose to upgrade so you stay in control.